Hi students, this is Sai Abhinav. So today I am going to discuss one more problem. So that is problem number 2. So calculate the fixed end moments for fixed beam carrying a point load 3000 newtons, but it varies some moment of inertia I and 2I. So it carries a length 6 meters. From 2 meters it is I, and after 2 meters and remaining 4 meters is 2I. So how to solve this problem? So before going to this one, now I will explain one more time Castigliano's second theorem. So what is the statement? So the partial derivative of strain energy with respect to the redundant force gives a minimum. So minimum stands for here, it must be is equals to 0. Okay, the partial derivative of strain energy with respect to the redundancy. That redundancy either may be reaction or may be a moment, whatever it may be. There may be a minimum. Minimum here is equals to 0. Okay, just observe here, I wrote ds is equals to, ds means here static indeterminacy is equals to reactions minus 3. So this is the formula for static indeterminacy. So what is the static indeterminacy? The number of unknown forces when compared to the equations of equilibrium. Okay, this is the static indeterminacy definitions. So how many reactions will come for fixed beam? So for fixed support we got 3 reaction. So we are having 2 fixed support, that's why reactions are 6 and 3 be the equations of equilibrium. So 6 minus 3 is equals to, finally we got 3. Here 3 unknown forces are extra. That unknown forces we have to find by using Castigliano's second theorem. That is the procedure. So but just observe here, HA is equals to HB here, and next MA is equals to MB. So that's why we are not focusing the 3 components, just we are focusing 2 redundancy. So what are the 2 redundancy? Here I have written, let RA and MA be the vertical reaction and fixed end moment. So here I am taking the redundancy as RA and MA. So you can choose RB and MB, nothing will happen. Okay, here I am choosing RA and MA be the unknown reaction. Okay, so what is the formula for strain energy due to the bending? U is equals to strain energy 0 to L m square 2EI into dx. So what is the formula for Castigliano's second theorem? So the partial derivative of redundancy should be a minimum. So what are the unknown reactions? Unknown. So here I am taking RA be the redundancy and MA be the one more redundancy. So that's why here I am written dou U by dou RA is equals to 0. That is one redundancy we have to find out, and another redundancy is dou U by dou MA. So here I am taking one more redundancy is fixed end moment. So dou U by dou MA is equal to 0. Here the 2 redundancy we have to find. So first of all, so I am going to write dou U by dou RA. So in the place of U I am going to written m square by 2 EI into dx. So integral 0 to L dou by dou RA into m square 2 EI into dx is equals to 0. So don't forget, here is equal to 0 is there, and there must be is equals to, so dou by dou R of into m square. So just take as it is x square. So x square derivation is 2m as the same thing. So 2x as the same thing here also, m square derivation is 2m. I have written 2m by 2ei into, here partial derivation is done with redundancy. Okay, not a m. So that's why again we have to product dou m by dou RA into dx is equals to 0. So this is redundancy of vertical reaction. Then one more redundancy is also there, that is moment. So I am taking one more redundancy as moment. So dou u by dou ma is equals to integral 0 to L dou by dou ma into what is a u, integral 0 to L m square by 2a into dx is equal to 0. Same procedure we have to follow. So here partial derivation is done with ma, with respect to ma. So that's why again I am writing dou m by dou ma into dx is equal to 0. So in previous problem we taken only one redundancy, but here we have to take two redundancy, that is dou u by dou ra is equal to 0 and dou u by dou ma is equal to 0. So redundancy here I am taking here, one is vertical reaction, another one is moment. Okay, so after completion of this one, so for calculating here two calculations is there. One is m, just observe here m is stands for moment and dou m by dou ra stands for moment with respect to the ra. We have to derive that one, and here also dou m by dou ma, so moment with respect to the ma. We have to calculate these two operations. So how to get these two operation? So here I am written, for purpose of finding values of dou u by dou ra and dou u by dou ma, so the beam should be divided into two portion, so that is AC and BC. So here I already mentioned what are the reactions will be there, RA, RB and MA, MB. So we have to take the two portions, one is AC, another one is CB or BC. So we have to take the two portions, one is AC and BC for calculating RA and MA. Okay, so this is the problem how I divided into two sections, in the portion AC, another one is CB. So that's why I am mentioning first portion and second portion. Okay, so while you are taking the first portion moment, that is in the portion of AC, so what is the moment will come at this particular x, RA into x. Okay, along with RA into x, that is force into perpendicular distance, moment is also there, that is fixed moment, so that is anti-clockwise. Here I am taking anti-clockwise at that particular point A, that is MA. So finally RA into x minus MA. So here RA into x be the clockwise, so and moment be the minus. So that's why I have written RA into x minus MA. So while you go for the second section, so that is in the CB portion, so what are the forces, what are the moments will come at this particular section? Same thing, RA into x. Okay, along with reaction, moment is also come, that is anti-clockwise moment, so minus MA. Along with moment, 3000 Newton load also coming. So 3000 into what is the perpendicular distance? Here entire the distance is x. So when you remove the 2 meters, that is the perpendicular distance. So that's why in the tabular column I have written RA into x minus MA minus 3000 into x minus 2. So this is the moment operation. Then we will move to the derivative. So dou m by dou Ra. What is the dou m by dou Ra for this case? Here moment, the partial differentiation of moment with respect to the Ra. So just you have to assume as dy by dx. So y equation with respect to x. Here same thing, moment equation with respect to the Ra. So Ra should be the value. So Ra be the, if you derive the Ra, so what you get? 1 will come. So the same thing, x be the solution and dou m by dou ma. So moment equation with respect to the ma. So Ra into x be the 0. Why? Because so this is partial derivation. So we have to take the constant. So it must be is equal to 0. Finally we got minus 1. And the same thing for CB portion. So dou m by dou Ra will come x, dou m by dou ma will comes minus 1. So what is the limits in the AC portion and CB portion? Up to the AC portion the limits are 0 to 2, and from CB portion it starts from 2 and it ends with the remaining up to the 6 meter. So that's why in AC portion you have to take the 0 to 2, and CB portion you have to take the 2 to 6. What are the moment of inertia? In AC portion is I, and in CB portion is 2I. So I already mentioned in the figure. Okay, if not getting anything, so please repeat this video. Listen, repeat this video 2 or more times, you will get the operation. Okay, so then I will move to the first vertical reaction, dou U by dou RA. So dou U by dou RA must be is equals to 0. So what is the limits? 0 to 2, and one more thing, 2 to 6 for AC's portion and CB portion. So for M by EI into dou M by dou RA into dx is equal to 0. So first I am taking AC portion. What is the M here? RA into x minus MA into dou M by dou RA be the x. Okay, plus in the BC portion or CB portion. So what is the limits? 2 to 6, and what is the I value here? 2I. You should not forget this one. So I here is 2I. You have to take the I value is 2I. So 1 by 2 EI, limits are 2 to 6. What is the moment here? RA into x minus MA minus 300 into x minus 2. This is the moment. What about dou M by dou RA? X. Okay, this is the first redundancy calculation, and it must be is equal to 0. So after producting, so x RA into x square minus MA into x into dx. So this is the first AC portion, and for second BC portion is integration 2 to 6 RA into x square minus MA into x minus 300 into x square minus 2x into dx is equal to 0. So after integration this equation, so finally I got RA into x cube by 3 minus MA x square by 2 half into x cube by 3 x square by 2 and x cube by 3 minus 2x square by 2. So after applying upper limit minus lower limit, so finally I got 8 by 3 RA minus 2 MA plus 104 by 3 into RA minus 8 MA minus 56,000 is equals to 0. So this is the first redundancy calculation. So I am not taking second redundancy here. Okay, so first of all you have to calculate the first redundancy, then after second redundancy. So this entire expression is here I am written with therefore. From this here it is completely mathematical operation, that means integration operation. So what is the final equation? So final equation, therefore 3.733 RA minus MA is equal to 5600. This is the first equation and first redundancy equation. What is the second redundancy equation? Dou U by dou MA is equals to 0. What is the expression? Dou U by dou MA is equals to integral 0 to L M by EI into dou M by dou MA into dx is equal to 0. So this derivation we already did in previous file. Okay, so 0 to L M by EI dou M by dou MA into dx is equal to 0. And what is the M here? Already written in tabular column. You just take the note. Okay, so what is the limits? 0 to 2 in the AC portion and 2 to 6 in CB portion. What is the moment? RA into x minus MA. What is dou M by dou MA? Just you have to take the very carefully here, dou M by dou MA. This is second redundancy. In the first redundancy is dou M by dou RA will be there. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, minus 1 into dx and 1 by 2 EI. So here in the BC portion I value is 2, so you have to take the 2i. Okay, integral is 2 to 6 RA into x minus MA minus 3000 into x minus 2. What is dou m by dou MA? Minus 1 into dx is equal to 0. After product minus 1, so finally I got minus RA into, after applying the integration, finally I got this expression minus RA into x square by 2 limit 0 to 2 MA into x limit 0 to 2 minus half into RA into x square by 2 2 to 6 plus MA by 2 into x 2 to 6 plus 3000 x square by 2 minus 2x 2 to 6 is equal to 0. This is the final expression. From this here is entire mathematical operation. So finally I got the equation minus 2.5 RA plus MA is equal to 3000. This is number equation 2. On solving equation 1 and 2 by calculator, finally I got RA is equals to 2108.1 newtons and moment, fixed end moment 2270.25 Newton meter. So this is the MA only. What about MB? How to get the MB value? Here I have written, take the moments at the point B. Here the point B, if you take the moments at this point, so MB be the clockwise plus RA into, what is the perpendicular distance? 6 be the entire distance, MB be the clockwise plus RA into 6. And what about MA here? Negative, that is anti-clockwise, minus MA, along with load is also there, 3000 into 4. So load into perpendicular distance, it comes anti-clockwise, so that's why I keep minus 3000 into 4 is equals to 0. Taking moments about B is equal to 0, and finally I got 1621.65 Newton meter. So this is normal procedure. So taking moments about B is equal to 0. So what are the moments will come at the point B? What are the moments? MA, this is anti-clockwise, and MB clockwise along with reaction at this point A, RA into entire distance and 3000 into 4. Okay, so finally I got MB is equals to 1621.65 Newton meter. Okay, so this is the calculation process to find out the fixed end moment of a given problem. Just try in your home. So for calculation of fixed end moments for this problem. Okay, don't forget, just try yourself and you will get the more confident on this problem. Okay, thank you.